Finding the right tonneau cover for your Ford Maverick can feel like a headache. You want your cargo safe from rain, snow, and thieves, but you also need easy access to your truck bed without wrestling with heavy gear. That's where the right cover comes in: sleek look, secure fit, and practical everyday use. Stick around because I'll walk you through the best tonneau covers for the Maverick, from high-end durability to budget-friendly options. And hey, all the links to the products are down in the description, so don't miss that. The RealTruck BAK is the premium pick for folks who want it all. It's a hard-folding cover with aluminum panels that give way better security than vinyl. Plus, it still lets you access your whole bed. You can drive with it folded, flipped, or shut without blocking your brake light. Add in its waterproof seals and easy dual-action latch, and this thing is built for both style and muscle. The RealTruck TruXedo Sentry blends durability with ease. It's got heavy-duty vinyl bonded to aluminum slats, so you get a strong roll-up cover that looks slick and is super practical. Rolling it open takes just one hand, and installation is no drill, done in under 30 minutes. An extra latch in the center keeps things secure, and it doesn't block your rear view when rolled up. Reliable, quick, and easy to live with. The Toptiny cover brings some flash with its shine-finished aluminum panels, but it's not just for looks. This hard fold locks tight once your tailgate is shut and keeps out rain, snow, and dust like a champ. The upgraded perimeter seals really shine in rough weather, and setup is simple with clamp-on installation. If you want style plus strong protection, this one's a solid middle option. The Tyger Auto T3 is a crowd favorite for value and toughness. Built with marine-grade vinyl and an aluminum frame, it's rugged without being a pain to use. The tri-fold design means quick access to your bed, and pre-assembled crossbars make install a breeze. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. It's a perfect mix of affordability and long-term durability. The Autosaver 88 soft roll-up cover is the budget hero. It's got a PVC top with aluminum rails, simple clamp-on install, and arched crossbars to keep rainwater from pooling. Rolling it open gives you full bed access in seconds, and the tension system keeps it tight and wrinkle-free. For folks who want a no-fuss cover that just works without breaking the bank, this one nails it. At the end of the day, the best tonneau cover comes down to your priorities. Do you want max security, quick access, or just a clean look on a budget? All 5 of these covers have proven themselves with Maverick owners, and anyone could be the right fit depending on your needs. Don't forget, the links to check them out are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more truck gear reviews coming your way.